Hi, everybody. Hope everything's going well so far this school year. Just wanted to pass along kind of some verbiage and some strategies I use specifically for teaching multiplying fractions. And I ordered these from Lakeshore Learning. It's these multiplying fractions like cards, and I find that they're super helpful. So one thing I talk about with kids is that usually when we're multiplying, we start off with like two smaller numbers. I'll use the times, and we're going to end up with an answer that's bigger, right? But when we're working with fractions and we're multiplying fractions, we're going to actually end up with an answer that's smaller than the numbers we started with. So I kind of talk about it being, I guess, counterintuitive without necessarily using that word. So we would read this number sentence the way we normally would, left to right. So a third times a half. And then I tell people we'll still read it the same way, but then our brain is actually going to go back to the second number. So we're basically starting with a half, and then we're seeing what 1/3 of that is. And so if we know that blue and yellow together make green, a third of a half, when we overlap these guys, the green part is going to be our answer, because we have our third in blue, we have our half in yellow, and then a green will be our answer. So a third of a half, it's a little too heavy, so maybe, there we go. All right, so now I have how many pieces all together? I end up with 6 pieces all together, but how many are green? How many are this third and half combined? Just one piece is green. So 1/3 times 1/2 ends up being 1/6.